Hey guys, Sean with Blue Collar Daily. This is Proof of Life, January 29th, 2020. I'm about to have to tell my wife that I think the transmission just went out in my car. I have reverse only. 3 engines in the transmission. 13 months. 13 payments. It's only ran 3 months of the 13 payments we had it. I've only had it back approximately 3 weeks. I put 1,300 miles on it. Most of those miles were break-in. I'm fixing to go tell her. But if I don't make a video like this tomorrow, there needs to be an investigation. Thanks. Appreciate everybody. Wish me luck. I enjoyed my time as a Mustang fan.